Assalamu alaikum. Hello, my dear student. How are you? Hope you are well by the grace of Almighty Allah. I am also fine by the grace of Almighty Allah. Welcome to my class. I am Mahfuz Ahmed, assistant teacher, SK Government Girls High School, Maniganj. I am going to take a class of English of class 4, unit 40. Dear student, you can see two photograph. Can you guess about this photograph? Can you say something about this photograph? Okay, there are some man and woman are working in a factory. So today's my lesson is a garment workers day. At first, some important words, so you know the meaning. Word worker meaning kormi, similar words employee, laborer. Erosion ক্ষয়, decay, corrosion, wasting. Younger ছোট, smallest, junior. Accident দুর্ঘটনা, mishap, misadventure. Often প্রায়ই, similar word once and again. Extra অতিরিক্ত, similar word additional, more, spare. Now we discuss about a garment workers day. We want to know more about a garment workers day. That's why we at first we discuss the translation of this story. Reshma is a garment worker in Dhaka. রেশমা ঢাকার একটি পোশাক কারখানার শ্রমিক. She is 80 years old. তার বয়স 18 বছর. Her family came to Dhaka. তার পরিবার ঢাকাতে এসেছিল from a village 8 years ago. একটি গ্রাম থেকে 8 বছর আগে. অর্থাৎ তার পরিবার 8 বছর আগে গ্রাম থেকে ঢাকা এসেছিল. There was river erosion in her village. তার গ্রামে নদী ভাঙন প্রবণতা ছিল. They lost their home. তারা তাদের ঘরবাড়ি হারায়. So the family came to Dhaka. এই জন্য পরিবারটি ঢাকায় এসেছিল. রেশমা's father worked as a rickshaw driver. রেশমার পিতা রিক্সা চালাইতো. বাট হি ডাইড ইন অ্যান অ্যাক্সিডেন্ট. কিন্তু তিনি একটি দুর্ঘটনায় মৃত্যুবরণ করেন. রেশমাস আঙ্কেল রতন হেল্প দ্য ফ্যামিলি. রেশমার কাকা রতন পরিবারটিকে সাহায্য করেছিল. হি ফাউন্ড এ স্মল হাউস ফর দেম অ্যাট কল্যাণপুর. তিনি কল্যাণপুরে একটি ছোট বাড়ি তাদের ঠিক করে দেন. হি টুক রেশমা টু এ গার্মেন্ট ফ্যাক্টরি ইন মিরপুর. তিনি রেশমাকে মিরপুরের একটি গার্মেন্ট ফ্যাক্টরি নিয়ে গেলেন. শি ওয়ার্কস দেয়ার নাও. সে অর্থাৎ রেশমা এখন সেই ফ্যাক্টরিতে কাজ করে. Her younger brother বাবুল গোস টু স্কুল, তার ছোট ভাই বাবুল স্কুলে পড়ালেখা করে। হি ইজ ইন ক্লাস 5, সে চতুর্থ শ্রেণীতে পড়ে। হার মাদার স্টিচেস নকশিকাথা অ্যাট হোম অ্যান্ড সেলস দেম, তার মা অর্থাৎ রেশমার মা নকশিকাথা সেলাই করে এবং সেগুলো বিক্রি করে। দি গার্মেন্ট ফ্যাক্টরি আর 2 কিলোমিটার্স ফ্রম রেশমাস হাউস, পোশাক কারখানাটা তার রেশমার বাড়ি থেকে 2 কিলোমিটার দূরে। ইন দ্য মর্নিং, সকালে, শি ওয়াক্স টু ওয়ার্ক, কাজে যাওয়ার উদ্দেশ্যে হাঁটে। সাম অফ হার ফ্রেন্ডস, তার কিছু বন্ধু, গো বাই বাস, বাসে যায়, রিক্সা অর স্কুটার, বাস, রিক্সা অথবা স্কুটারে যাওয়া আসা করে। শি ওয়ার্কস ফ্রম 8 AM টু 4 PM, সে সকাল 8টা থেকে বিকাল 4টা পর্যন্ত কাজ করে। রেশমা লাইকস টু গো টু দ্য সিনেমা, রেশমা সিনেমায় যেতে পছন্দ করে। বাট শি ডাজন্ট হ্যাভ মাস ফ্রি টাইম, কিন্তু তার পর্যাপ্ত অবসর সময় নাই। অর মানি ফর দিস, অথবা সেই অর্থও তার নাই। শি অফেন ওয়ার্কস এক্সট্রা আওয়ার্স আনটিল 6 PM, সে কখনো বা প্রায়ই 2 ঘন্টা অতিরিক্ত ঘন্টা কাজ করে বিকেল 6টা পর্যন্ত। সো শি ক্যান মেক মোর মানি, যাতে সে কিছু বেশি টাকা আয় করতে পারে। হার ফ্যামিলি নিডস দিস মানি ফর ফুড অ্যান্ড আদার থিংস, তার পরিবারের সেই টাকাটা খাদ্য এবং অন্যান্য জিনিস ক্রয়ে খুবই দরকার বা প্রয়োজনীয়। ডিয়ার স্টুডেন্ট, I think there is no problem. Okay. Now I will solve the page number, some question of page number 81. B. Read again and choose the correct answer. What does Reshma do? She goes to school. She is a farmer. She is a garment worker. She doesn't have a job. Dear student, you have 4 options to here. You have to choose the correct options. Now we can say what is correct option. So Reshma is a garment worker. What does Reshma do? Reshma is a garment worker. Question: what does Reshma do? Answer is Reshma is a garment worker. Next one. Who is Babul? Reshma's father. Babul is Reshma's father. Babul is Reshma's brother. Reshma's uncle. Reshma's friend. Right one is Reshma's brother. Babul is Reshma's brother. Where is the factory? In Mirpur. Kollanpur, B. Kollanpur. C. 5 kilometers away. D. Near Babul's primary school. Which one is correct? The student. So correct one is number A in Mirpur. The factory is in Mirpur. How does Reshma go to work? By rickshaw, by bus, by scooter, on foot. Which one is correct? There is 4 options. You have choose to only one option. Reshma goes to work on foot, not by bus, not scooter. Number 5. What does Reshma's mother do? She is a garment worker. She doesn't work. She is a teacher. D. She stitches picture on quilts. Which one is correct? Reshma's mother, and she stitches picture on quilts. Read the text again and question 1, 2, 3 and 4. Reshma is a garment worker in Dhaka. She is 18 years old. Her family came to Dhaka from a village 8 years ago. There was a revolution in her village. They lost their home, so the family came to Dhaka. Reshma's father worked as a rickshaw driver, but he died in an accident. Reshma's uncle Ratan helped the family. He found a small house for them at Kollanpur. He took Reshma to a garment factory in Mirpur. She works there now. Her younger brother Babul goes to school. He is in class 5. Her mother stitches Noxikata at home and sells them. The garment factory is 2 kilometers from Reshma's house. In the morning she walks to work. Some of her friends go by bus, rickshaw or scooter. She works from 8 am to 4 pm. Reshma likes to go to the cinema, but he doesn't have much free time or money for this. She often works extra hours until 6 pm so she can make more money. Her family needs this money for food and other things. I'm going to another item in your syllabus, and that is matching. Number 1, match the words in column A with their meaning with that is mentioned in text in column B. Two extra meanings are given in the column B. There are 5 words in column A and 7 meanings in column B. You have to match column A with column B. Worker. Worker meanings a person who works. Erosion. We have learned from the passage there was a river erosion of in the Reshma's village. So we know the meaning of erosion. Erosion, the state of the soil being gradually damaged by the waves and rain. Stitch. We learn from the passage Reshma's mother stitches Nakshikatha at home and sells them. So we know the meaning of stitches. To sew things often many times extra more than what is usual. Now we can see the answer sheet. A for 3, B for 5, C for 4, D for 2 and A for 1. You have a alternate question. You also answer this one, or fill in the blanks with the appropriate words from the box. There are extra words which you don't need to use. There are 8 words for 6 blanks. You have to choose the word for blank. Babul is Ratan's fourth nephew. Household distance take money no. Babul is Ratan's nephew. The dash between Reshma's house and the factory is 2 kilometers. The distance between Reshma's house and the factory is 2 kilometers. Reshma goes to work on foot. Reshma goes to work on foot. Reshma works extra hours to make more money. Reshma's dash is situated at Kollanpur. Reshma's house is situated at Kollanpur. Okay, we'll go to another item. Write true false. Write T for true, F for false. Reshma works in a shop factory. Is it true or false? It's false. Babul is Reshma's younger brother. In the passage we have learned from that Reshma has a younger brother named Babul. So it must be true. Reshma stitches and sells Nakshikatha. We have learned from the passage Reshma's mother stitches and sells Nakshikatha. So it must be false. Reshma's family is in need of education. We know from the passage Reshma's family needed of money. So it must be false. Revolution had taken their home. It must be true. Reshma leads a very pretty life. It must be true. Okay, dear student, I have no there is no problem. Correct answer. There was a 3 false statement. Correct answer is number A. Reshma works in a garment factory. C. Reshma's mother stitches and sells Nokshikatha. Number D. Reshma's family is in need of money. Number 3. Answer the following question. How did Reshma's family lose their home? You have already known from the passage how the family lose her home. Reshma's family lost their home due to river erosion. Number B. Why did Reshma's family come to Dhaka? Reshma's family come to Dhaka because they lost their home in the blaze. Number C. Where is the garment factory situated? The garment factory is situated at Mirpur. Number D. Who is Babul? Babul is the younger brother of Reshma. Number E. What does Babul do? Babul reads in class 5. Number F. What does Reshma's mother do? Reshma's mother stitches and sells Nakshikatha. Number 4. Write a short composition in 5 sentences about a female garment worker. Remember to use capital letters and full stop and correct spelling. Dear student, I have a short technique to write a composition. You are right to another different way. A female garment worker. Answer. A female garment worker works in a factory. The financial condition of her family is poor. She works to help her family financially. She sometimes work extra hours to make more money. She can't spend her money whenever she wants because her family needs this money for food and other things. Homework. Suppose you are Nafisa. You live near a tea garden in Sylhet. Now write a letter to your friend Ripa about a tree planter's life. Thank you, everybody. Dear student, you know we are passing a critical situation for COVID-19 virus or coronavirus. So we should always stay at home and maintain social distance.